See, looking good is really easy. I mean, I don't understand why people on the internet make everything complicated. You just need a great face, which I'm sure you have right now, but it's going to be 10x better than now if you follow my steps. See, the main problem is face fat. Many people would be thinking that I'm not even that fat, so I must not have any face fat. But see, many skinny fat guys also have face fat and they don't even know. They show their jawline and think they have the best looks, but bro, trust me. If you just remove that face fat, then I can't even explain how better you would look. Many people find it cute for that face fat, especially your family members. But if you want to look good, masculine, then I think removing that fat is the best solution. It's your choice. You either look cute or masculine. But if you are a pure fat person or obese, then don't even think you look cute. But you can. See, firstly, you have to identify that you even have a face fat. Like, if you are a fat or obese or a skinny fat person, then I'm sure you have face fat. But if you are a skinny guy, then your face fat will not be there. It doesn't mean that you look good. Getting a 10 by 10 face and looks will be nothing if you are skinny, so you should gain some weight right now. If you are a teenager, then bro, what are you doing? Just gain weight. There are thousands of videos online. It will not make you chubby if you do it correctly. Your face is 5 or 6 out of 10, but if you have a healthy and not skinny type body, then it's far better. Anyways, let's come back to face fat topic. So like, it's pretty ironic that people blame their genetics for their looks. I mean, there are thousands of stuff you can do to look good. The main two things are face and hair. In this video, I'm going to explain mainly the face part. So, since now you have identified either you have a face fat or not, then firstly, if you don't have a face fat, then don't continue watching this video. I've already given you the advice to gain some weight, so don't waste your time. Do some other work. We are all on self-improvement, brother. I know this will harm my channel and analytics, but self-improvement is the main goal. So yeah. That's the only thing that matters. In this channel, I give genuine advice and try my best to not waste your time, so consider subscribing to this channel. Firstly, it's a pretty easy step, but I don't know, people still can't follow that. Drink water as soon as you wake up and don't eat for like at least 30 minutes. Many people have the habit to drink coffee and go to work. Like, come on, I'm not telling you to quit drinking coffee. Just not in the morning. Like, you can have it later or in lunch, I don't know, just not in the morning. Drinking water in the morning as soon as you wake up will help you getting rid of that puffiness in the morning. I mean, this would hardly take 2 minutes to drink water in the morning. So yeah, do it. And overall, during the day, you should drink 3 to 4 liters of water. Like, it's really good for you and your looks. And yeah, if you can't drink that much, then start with 2 to 3 liters of water every day. It's not a task. You should be grateful that you are drinking water. Now, I'm not going to wrap this video. Firstly, understand that you can't lose a fat portion for a particular area. Like, it's not possible to just lose that small face fat. You have to lose your overall body fat. If you are an adult, then it's really easy. Just walk 10,000 steps a day, lift 4 to 6 times a week and eat less. Just by following this, you can easily lose fat. Like, if you remove the lifting part, then also you can lose fat just by doing 10,000 steps a day and eating less. But I won't recommend that. Like, lifting should be a habit. No, I'm not telling you to go to the gym. I mean, if you can go, then go. But if you can't, then do home workout. There are hundreds of variations you can try, and I'm also going to make a video on that topic. Make sure to eat protein, because this will also help. If you're a teenager, then of course you should do lifting and 10,000 steps and eat sufficient protein. But you shouldn't eat less, like eat more. And I will say, then how will I lose face fat? See, if you eat less, move 10,000 steps a day and lift, then you'll lose fat, but you'll also lose your energy level. Like, if you're a teenager, then you should eat. Now, don't be a monster. And I'm not telling you to eat anything you want. Dude, come on, you want to look good, right? So eat healthy. That's it. If you eat less in your early ages, then maybe you can lose your potential height. So you are ready to sacrifice your height for face fat? I mean, face fat can be made later in adulthood, but height can't. It's your choice. To be simple, if you just want to lose face fat without all these nonsense in a healthy way, then move 10,000 steps a day or a form of cardio. Eat slightly less, but don't cut half of your calories. Yep. Just by doing this, you can lose fat. Lifting and protein can make it 2x, so consider doing that. And overall, also these are good habits. If you don't have time for 10,000 steps or lifting, then you must be a lazy guy, cause you know you have lots of time. Don't give excuse. If you can't do 10,000 steps, then play some sports like basketball or football for 30 minutes. It's fun. And lifting can also be done at least 20 to 30 minutes. If you're doing home workout, which you should do if you're a complete beginner, so overall 1 hour. Seriously, you don't even have an hour in your day. Just by doing these small changes, you can look far better. So why not consider giving it a try?